So this is the attempted test of my GPS receiver. Step 1 was to remove external power sources, switch on power, verify the LCD display turns on, displays intro text of GPS receiver by Jason Roberti and Julie Clark. So it's on. Switch it off to standby, it'll play that message. So we'll just wait for the lock, indicated by a solid red light, which would be test 2. I'll pause this, I guess, while I wait for that. We have a lock. Finally. That took about 4 minutes. Alright. And then the time it took me to go get the test procedure, it's no longer locked. We have a lock again, we'll see how long this lasts for. Maybe I can get some information on here before it loses it. GPS receiver by Jason Roberti, Julie Clark. Here's the latest no doubt appears. There it is. 20:55, that's UTC time. 14th of December 2015. My latitude is 4439.64, which should be 4439.65. I'd say that's pretty close. My longitude is 63 degrees 29.74. I should be 29.73. I'd say that's pretty close considering that that's my front yard and that's where I took those measurements from. So let's go for a little walk with it and see what it does. Hopefully you can see this. As I run, my knots go up and they should bring back down as I zero out. Perfect. As I move, you should see the coordinates change slowly. As I walk down the street. 6.6, so that is working. My course made good is a heading that is based on my current position and my last position. It's an absolute definition of basically my heading. It's not technically heading because heading is where you're pointed whether you're moving or not. Course made good is your absolute bearing. So it's more useful in navigation, I suppose. But yeah, you can see it clearly works. I don't know why it only locks at my house, but it's working, I'd say, flawlessly. I can cycle it off and on and it should keep working. There we go. Amazing. Yeah, that display's starting to die out. There we go. You'll notice the seconds aren't going up second by second because it's probably taking a few seconds. Technically that time isn't the current time, it's the time of the fix. So this data is valid as of that time. What other requirements were there? Move to position known coordinates, did that. Run with the receiver in your hands, verify the speed over ground is greater than 0, did that. So I'd call that a success. Acquiring satellites, which means I probably lost the lock. Yep. Well, that's enough.